Today's video will discuss what happened to your hair if you spray carrot juice on hair. Before I go into the process and results of the carrot juice hair hack, let's delve into the benefits of using carrot juice. You know how your mom always nags at you to finish up your veggies? She has a point, especially since carrots are packed with vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. As for using it topically on the hair, it has been used as a treatment for hair loss, and is believed to strengthen your locks, and prevent breakages, while giving you shinier hair. You could use carrot juice as a hair mask by combining it with other ingredients, but I decided to use it as a pre-shampoo with just the juice alone. Spray carrot juice on hair. After extracting the carrot juice, pour it into a spray bottle, then spritz it evenly over your hair. Make sure you cover the roots of your hair, all the way to the ends. At this point, you'll be dripping in carrot juice, and it's going to be quite messy, so take this process to the bathroom. Leave the carrot juice on your hair for 15 minutes to absorb the nutrients. I loved how fresh my hair smelled from the carrot juice. After this step, simply condition and shampoo your hair as per usual. I gave my hair a blowout, and it was noticeably smoother and lighter to the touch. I wasn't expecting the carrot juice to work on the first try, but I was amazed. I couldn't stop running my finger through my freshly washed hair. It was as if I had just stepped out of a salon. End result. I usually wash my hair at night, and I was surprised to see that my hair still remained tamed, light and soft the next morning. There were fewer tangles to fix, and it was only after taking the before and after photos, that I noticed my hair had more volume too. Are you going to try this? Let me know in the comment section below.